sign.
What's
Look,
up?
A dinosaur. A dinosaur.
Oh shit, where?
Right there.
Man, we got a bunch of those at home. What's up, everybody? We're at Naples, Florida, at the Naples, Florida, in the Botanical Garden. Look at, it's like in the woods.
We pass all the beautiful stuff. Stop lying.
It's just like in the woods. No, it's so beautiful here. I will show you some pictures, my friends. Oh, look at this place, man. I have the baby waterfall. Look at this. It's a raccoon house. It's so beautiful. So cute. Where? Oh, cool. I'm not gonna show you. It's not that cool. I know it is cool. Oh, look at the air plants, man. They call it the air plant because they fly in the air. So beautiful. So nice. So pretty. They say, T, why you always in the gardens to look at the flower? You so old. I'm like, yes, I'm so old, man. It's a sugar apple?
Yeah, look. It's sugar apple.
Oh, look at the beautiful. Oh,
That's what it says?
oh yeah. Look at the
apple.
sugar apple. In my country, we call it koala bee nuts. Actually, in my country. Oh, look at this beautiful garden, my friends. Oh, what's that tree?
Almond.
Ah, that was
That's
pretty.
most almond.
Oh, look at this baby waterfall, man. It's so cute. So beautiful. Oh, look at this, man. So beautiful.